So my name is Annette Ferguson. I'm CEO of Annette Co, a UK-based accounting firm. I am a chartered accountant and certified Profit First professional. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can submit dormant accounts through the Companies House gateway. So I'm going to share my screen with you and we're going to go through the exact step-by-steps up to and including the submission of those dormant accounts. So here we go. Here's how to file a dormant set of company accounts using the online portal provided by Companies House. So first off, you want to go to this URL for Companies House, and then you want to click on File Your Company Accounts. We then click on Start Now. Do you want to file a corporation tax with HMRC? Now I'm going to click no because I'm filing dormant accounts, and when we file dormant accounts there is no corporation tax return to submit, so that's why I'm clicking no, and I'll hit save and continue. Which type of accounts do you have? Dormant company accounts. And it reminds me that I need to have a log-on for Companies House before I do this. So if you don't already have a login, you will need to register for that. But if you do already have a login, then you can click File Dormant Accounts and you can then log in to the Companies House website. Now I am going to need to enter my company number and my authentication code in here. Now, if you don't know your authentication code, if you don't know what it is, you will need to request that from Companies House here. You can see that you can hit request authentication code, and what will happen is that they will post that to you. So that will come in the post. Now the authentication code, it can be letters, it can be numbers, it can be a mixture of the two. Typically you will receive this via the post when you initially register your company. So this authentication code, unless you've personally changed it, does not change. So you don't need a different one every year or anything like that. So there we go, putting in my authentication code. So what I need to do here is I need to file my accounts. And I'm going to be clicking on Dormant Company Accounts. File Dormant Accounts. And then you get this screen to complete. So you need to complete both the current period and the previous period. So in my instance, my share capital is 100. It was the same last year and the same this current year. This is a completely dormant company. It has no cash in bank at all. It has no money sitting in the bank account. Now my number of shares is 100. I have ordinary shares and my value is 1 each. And my previous period, it was exactly the same. So that's my shareholders' funds. Then we've got the year end here, which should be automatically populated for the year that you are completing. Next, you need to fill in, you need to basically agree your director's responsibilities. So read through the statements and make sure that you agree with those, of course, before ticking the boxes as and when relevant. And the date of approval is the date you are completing it. So as at today, we are on the 30th of the 9th, 2021, as I am recording this. The director's name is myself, so I'm going to fill that in there. And then we're going to hit validate and continue. Now, if your accounts don't balance, if there's something wrong with it, it will come back that your validation has failed and you'll need to go and fix any of the boxes. Typically, this will happen if you enter numbers that don't match each other in the top section and the bottom section. So you do need to make sure your balance sheet, what they call balances. So we've got the net assets here being the same as the shareholders' funds. If they're different, if they don't match each other, then you'll fail the validation checks and it's not going to work for you. So you need to go back and check that. Now for me, we can see it says check and print your accounts before continue. You can screenshot this or you can hit the print button if you want to do that, and then you can hit continue. Then it will just say an email address to confirm that it has submitted. So I'm just going to leave that as the default there. And we haven't submitted this yet. That's important to know. At this point, we've still not submitted. We've not submitted until we hit this submit button, which I'm doing right now. And then we get that confirmation. Again, you may want to print this page, screenshot it just so that you have visibility that, or proof rather, that it's actually been done. But that is how you submit dormant accounts through the company's house web filing service. So I hope that has been useful for you. Any questions or queries, do let me know in the comments and I will come back and answer those. And if you enjoy what I share on this channel, do make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell so you know next time we upload a new video, and I will speak to you very soon. Take care.